What is up, you guys? My name is ASAP Nitro, a part of the ASAP clan. And in this video, for my first video, we are going to be playing Battle Cats. And the recording before did not work, so I am kind of far ahead. So I'm sorry if I'm too advanced for you guys. But if you guys do enjoy the series, please don't forget to smash that like button. And it would help me a lot if you subscribe to all the other ASAP clan members, because two of them, Nate Dogg and Swags, will be making videos soon. And Rye Guy has even more subscribers than me and more videos than me. But anyways, we're going to turn the volume down so you guys can hear me better. So we're going to play. We're not going to go to the event stage. Nope. We're going to go back. We're going to go Battle Cats Rising. And yeah. Start. How much energy do we have? 100. Okay. So we're going to go to Dubai. And I do have the ninja. I have the hedge clipper. I have the axe, which is like regular, but I have the cow, and I have like the ugly one or whatever it's called. Yeah, anyways, look how much money I'm getting. I upgraded it all. All I did was go back like 2 levels and get so much XP or EXP. And you could just upgrade everything. So yeah. Okay, we got 2 tank cats and 2 regular cats. Now we're gonna get some ninja cats in because they're amazing. You might be wondering why I only have like 4 or 5 different guys and they have like 10. Well, I'll show you after I save up a ton of my cat dollars, or whatever you call them. And I just make a huge army out of them. The hedge clipper and the ninja are like a huge, awesome mix, if you guys are wondering. I use it all the time. We're going to go down here. We're going to get one of these. See, I told you I'd win. And if you're wondering what my favorite card is, it's probably the cow. And I can never beat these guys. I can never beat the penguins. Just spawn in as much as I can. Look at this huge army. The penguins are so overpowered, though. Ninja. Should we get a hedge clipper in here? Nah. Yeah, we will. Go, 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 go. Do as much damage as possible. Yes, did damage to the penguins. I thought it wasn't going to reach them. Come on, kill them. Kill them. Ninja, ninja, ninja. So I think we're going to lose this battle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be going on a lower level and just getting some more EXP and upgrade. Yes, we killed one of the penguins. Perfect. Okay, just whack him. We did it, you guys. We did it. We're going to win. We're going to win. We're going to win. Just send in a huge army. Now we're just going to save up for the cow or the bull. And he's going to do a ton of damage. He just waxed his head. And he's super fast. He's my favorite card. Look how much damage we're doing. Celebration with a fire. Let's go. Oh, we got a cat capsule. I'm gonna go back. Open a cat capsule. What do we get? What is it? Charge, nice. I don't really care. But whatever. We're gonna go back. We're gonna go upgrade and we're gonna buy the bird cat. And we're going to upgrade. Not the we can't afford that, but we will. And upgrade that. There we go. Now we are going to Saudi Arabia. This is gonna be super hard, but okay. He spawned in a hippo already? That's crazy. How do you do that? That's outrageous. Oh, I forgot to. No, I forgot to put in the. Yeah, I don't know if we're going to beat it, so I'm going to end the episode here. So I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please don't forget to smash the like button again. And subscribe to all the other ASAP clan members. And subscribe to my channel too. So, yeah.